Greetings, mer people. I am here today with something that I got in the mail today that I ordered last week, I think. Wet n Wild Midnight Mermaid Collection. I got this from Ulta for $30. There are two main reasons why I got this. One, it's the entire collection, and I thought it was a great deal for $30 until I found out that individually they were all on sale, so $30 is about right. And two, I felt like I would be like a real beauty guru, like receiving a whole collection, like in PR or something, maybe someday. So this collection comes with 3 mega liners, metallic liquid eyeliner. Comes in Symmetry, which is a green shade. Trident Shimmer, which is a more silver gray shade. And the blue shade is called Sea Dreams. I didn't use any of these in this look because I'm not a fan of them. They're pretty, but they're kind of like chunky and patchy at the same time. I did not use them. The collection comes with 4 metallic liquid eyeshadows. The one I am wearing today is called, is it that one? I don't know. Oh, they're all starting to look the same. Okay, well this one is called Lara's Necklace. No, this is not the one I'm wearing. That one's a little on the sheer side and kind of like gray with a green and yellow reflect. This one is Aquatic Prism. In the bottle it looks like a purpley bluish green. I believe that's the one I'm wearing. This one is Mysterious Nights. It looks like a dark shimmery shade. Yeah, it's kind of like a silver, black, gray type deal. And then this one, again in the bottle, it's just showing up so many different colors. I can't even tell. There's some red, there's some gold, there's some green. But it looks more purple. So they're all pretty opaque and pigmented except for that first one, Lara's Necklace. The collection also comes with 4 liquid catsuit liquid lipsticks. And all of the caps, if you've noticed, have mermaid scale little number going on. Alright, this one is the shade Harbor a Crush. It looks kind of reddish. I don't really like the applicators on this. I found it kind of hard to use. This one is a Coral Crown. It looks more like a copper color. They're somewhat similar, those two. This blue one is in the shade Sea Seduction. That one's very pigmented. And the one that I currently have on my lippy loos, the shade Siren's Jewel. Those swatches are on fleek. And then last but not least in this collection is the highlight. It is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Bar in Midnight Moon. The pattern on it is pretty cool. The pattern pressed into it, it's like a mermaid tail. Comes off kind of silverish gray. It's not a blinding highlight. As you can see, it's not really showing up too much. I do have it on my cheeks though. From the front, it looks more grayish silver, than from the side it gives off a little bit of gold. So if you want to see how I did this all green everything Midnight Mermaid Wet n Wild collection look thing, keep on watching. So to recap on my little collection, the Mega Liners, not a fan. They're pretty colors. I don't even want to try them on my lids because I just know I'm not going to be able to pull off anything good, as chunky as it was. The liquid eyeshadows, they're really pretty. I had a hard time blending it out, especially trying to get more color into the crease and trying to blend this after I've put it down. It really just turns into a lot of fallout. And then the lips, like I said, I'm not a fan of the wonky applicator. I don't like it. And also it's kind of goopy too. It's goopy. I like liquid lipsticks that are a little bit more liquidy at first because I feel like they're easier to apply. This one's really kind of moussey. Moussey and gunky. And the highlight's pretty cool. I can dig it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have fun playing with some of these other colors. I primarily chose the green because I'm trying to do a monochromatic rainbow extravaganza. And I couldn't find any green lipsticks, and then this came with a green lipstick, and I'm like, alright. And you know what? This is Midnight Mermaid. Out of all these colors, the thing that shouts mermaid to me the most is the green. So, this is my all green earthing looky Christmas cookie. Really, it's just green eyeshadow and green lips, but alright, well, have a fantastic day. You do that. Stay colorful. and I'll see you later.